In this video, I will show you how to lower ping in Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you are trying to play games on Steam and you're getting a high ping, so it's causing games to lag, then there is actually a way to fix this. Now, what you want to do once you've got Steam opened and logged into your account, if you come up to the top left hand corner, click onto Steam, and what you want to do is come and click onto settings. Now, once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side, come down and click onto in-game. And what you want to do from here is scroll down towards the bottom. Now we're going to be looking for an option called server browser pings per minute, and we can actually change this to help improve our ping, so to actually lower the ping. So what you want to do is click onto the drop down box here. By default it's going to be set to automatic, but you want to drop this down to around about 1000. Once that's done, close down your settings window and make sure to fully exit out of Steam to apply the changes. So close down Steam, come down to the bottom right hand corner of your taskbar, click onto the show hidden icons arrow, and you should see Steam showing up here. So what you want to do is right click onto exit Steam, and that's going to fully shut down Steam. Now when you relaunch Steam, the ping should be lower, and this should lead to a lower ping in games, giving you a much better gaming experience. If you're still having problems with the ping on games and you're still getting lag, what I would recommend doing is jumping back into that setting and just lowering it even further. So from 1000 you could try 500 or 250, and by adjusting that setting you should now have a much lower ping and a better gameplay experience. So that is how to lower ping in Steam games. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.